What is up, guys? We're back for another video. I'm telling you right now, the weather in Missouri has been complete crap. It's been windy, like 20, 30 mile an hour gust of winds. It tried to snow. It's been raining. It's been cold. Today's the first nice day. It still has a little bit of wind going on, but a buddy of mine invited me up to Springfield because there is some cruise type show for cars and trucks, the local cars and trucks. I'm not expecting anything insane. But it should have a lot of unique things that usually aren't on this video or, you know, on this channel. Maybe some supercars. I know Springfield has some Lamborghinis, some R8s, a couple Ferraris. So yeah, there should be some of those, some second gens I know for sure. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cruise up there. I'm gonna go rinse this piece of shit off. Yeah, POS. We're gonna rinse it off and get it ready to go up there. No, I've been trying to get more videos out, but it's freaking hard when I have no... And why is that guy stopped at the beginning of my driveway? Oh, why do people just sit here on my property? Like, what is he doing? There's no way nobody knows where I live. I literally live in the sticks. They just cruised down this road, turned onto the gravel road, and now they're just chilling there. We're gonna see what they're doing, but anyways, yeah, I'd like to put out a lot more videos. But it's just really hard due to the fact that the weather's been shitty. I have a lot to do with this truck. This truck's not really, I'm not doing a whole lot with this right now. Actually, I'm probably going to be selling this truck or I'm going to be giving it away. Comment down below if you would actually enter in to buy this truck. Not if you would want to enter in, but if you would actually enter in to win this truck. If you would buy tickets into the giveaway to buy this truck or to win this truck, I should say. So comment down below if you would actually buy giveaway tickets if I were to give this thing away. That will make me kind of decide if I'm going to give it away or not. There's no reason to even try to give it away if nobody's interested in it. On our way to Springfield! So we just got done eating some Five Guys. We just ate Five Guys. All five of the guys. We ate five guys. Yeah, we ate five of the guys. All five of the guys. I'm now stuffed with five. Yeah, the meet or show or cruise is like right down the road. So he's tightening his fuel lines. All good? Yeah. All right. Decent. He was just making sure they were tight. Because he ran out of fuel the other day and had to bleed his injectors, and now they're tight, and they've been tight. He was just double checking that they're tight. And now we're going to go to this show. Or meet. Or cruise. I think Tom Cruise is there. So we're going to see if Tom Cruise is there. We already got kicked out, which is kind of insane, but whatever. The cops. Freaking cops. These guys are all pulling out. Look at that squatted. It's squatted. Oh, it about wrecked. Oh, he wilded it. Second gen. 3 second gens in front of me. Second gen right there. How many second gens can there be? All right. Shit, that thing's rowdy as hell. That thing sounds good too. Damn. These guys are putting in freaking work. Guys, we have another side though. I hate to break it to you, but we do have another side of the truck. The other side is completely intact. But this side I put on like really horribly and it has a lot of creases, and I feel like that's gonna be even harder to take off than that side is. Want to start feeling this side? But this side's looking very good. I would have to say it's looking more like my truck again. He said he's gonna do a burnout in this thing. Let's see what this Daytona can do. You know how to turn all the non-go-go stuff? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Turn off all the non-go-go stuff. No, that's the heated seat button. tires completely off if it was me, but she probably wouldn't have any tires if it was me in the driver's seat. Let me hear it. Do a burnout. Too expensive. Look what you drive. You can't tell me that's too expensive. My tires are $900 a piece. Oh, he's pulling in here. Come on, let's hear it. They got the old school Supra out here, 2 R35s, a Hellcat, wide body Hellcat. It's freaking sick. They come over here admiring the big Bertha over here. That is sick, honestly. The old school Supra is awesome, actually. You don't ever see those. That thing sounds nasty. I just met these guys at the gas station. They're super cool people. We just had a little conversation. Hopefully next week, he said he has like 3 or 4 more SRTs. He wants to meet up and do something like that, so it's gonna be sick. I'm gonna see if these guys get on it a little bit. So sick. Well, it's time to get this freaking truck off the trailer. It does run. I couldn't record or film that day because it was like 25 or 30 mile an hour gust of wind. The hood was flying open and closed the whole time I was working on it. Long story short, I ended up tearing down the top part of the engine again, taking all of the injectors out of the truck itself, out of the intake, and I went ahead and cleaned them very, very thoroughly. Got them super cleaned up. They had some gunk in them and probably just gummed up bad fuel in them. Anyways, got them all cleaned up, put them back in there, and it started. It ran. It runs. But it's running like crap right now. I still think either A, it still needs the O2 sensor to be plugged in. So I've got that Y pipe. I just have yet to install it. Once I put that in there, if it doesn't help any of the smoothness of it running, it still acts like it's missing. And we're gonna go ahead and probably replace 1 or 2 injectors because it's probably 1 or 2 injectors that are bad. But now that it's running, I'm gonna go get a mint OBS bed for this truck. It's an F-150. I thought about the flatbed idea, but it's an F-150. It probably does not need a flatbed. It is currently raining its ass off, and I've got to unstrap and unload this thing and put it inside the garage. Literally, as soon as I start unstrapping the truck and I'm getting ready to unload it, it wants to start monsooning. Look at this. This is ridiculous. I did take the bug shield off and the front fender flares, and I think it looks way better. I'm actually thinking about taking off the front bull bar, cutting that off and making it just a normal front bumper. I'll probably leave the visor on there and I'll leave the steps on there. What do you guys think? Should I take that front bumper bull bar off? Just cut it off like right here and just take the brush guard off? I can take just the brush guard off and grind the bumper down and smooth it out and repaint it and make it look good. Or I can leave it like that and paint it again and just paint the whole bumper as it is. I don't know what I should do. the brakes aren't bled, it's fucking hard to drive. First thing on my bucket list, bleed the clutch. We just got done leaving the house. The tint on the Automotive is literally 0%. It has to be because I can't see anything, especially when it's raining. And I couldn't even back this 18-foot trailer out of the driveway. Now granted, it's bumper pull and it's short and it's just a pain in the butt anyways. I can put a 44-foot gooseneck places that I probably can't put this 18-foot bumper pull. It's kind of weird to say, but if anybody's pulled a trailer, they know what I'm talking about. I'm on my way to go pick up the one and only Bryce Johnson. He's gonna come for a ride today. We're gonna go all the way about 2 hours away from home to go pick up this bed. You guys seen that OBS that I have right now? It's open manifold, so it sounds like complete dog shit. I got an exhaust for it. We're gonna build the exhaust and get that done. Plug in the O2 sensor, and geez, okay, Automotive, I'll put my seatbelt on. We got a few things to get in order, especially that clutch. That clutch needs bled bad because I can't drive it. It just does not let me. But anyways, we'll figure it all out. It's not too difficult. These old trucks aren't too difficult. These are the worst years to figure stuff out on, but it'll all come together. Anyways, enough freaking talking. We're gonna go pick up Mr. Bryce and head 2 hours away to go pick up this bed for the truck. See you at Bryce's. So we just got back from a 4-hour road trip. I didn't film because it was literally pouring down rain. I'm fixing to head back home. We got this mint OBS bed. It's actually like really, really clean. Completely rust-free, dent-free. The only dent is in the top of the bed rail, and it's like very, very little. The only thing that's wrong with this bed is there's no tailgate, which is no big deal, whatever, I got one. And it's cut out for a gooseneck ball. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I'll cut it out a little bit bigger, a cleaner cut, get the holes cut out of it, and I'll put a new patch in there from another bed, and you won't even know it's there because I'm a Raptor bed liner the inside of it and paint the rest of it, so it'll look really good. Now to the house, finish working on that truck on the OBS, get the clutch bled so I can freaking move it around, and then clean up the frame, paint the frame, and then once I do that, I'll put the bed on. We'll see. So we just finished up grinding on this one side. Got this frame, this side of the frame all smoothed out actually. Well, decently. Decent enough for good paint. This side still needs it done, as you can tell. That's what the other side used to look like. I'm gonna finish up doing the other side. And then, you know, the rest of the frame and the axles and all that fun stuff. But we'll get all that done, and then we're gonna start painting the frame and getting that all cleaned up. I got injectors ordered for it because the injectors are bad. I've only got like 4 of them firing. So that's why it's running like complete dog crap. But as soon as I get them injectors in, they should be here Friday, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in there and it should run like a champ, no problems. It has low miles, only 150,000, so it's not even that high really. I think that's gonna conclude this video. So paint, injector install, exhaust, and all that should be in the next video. And then following video should be body work and then painting the whole truck. It's coming along pretty nicely. Not too shabby. See you guys next time. Peace.